Okay. So now what we are seeing here, we are seeing these things. S0, S1 become parallel, and this making some angle with this. Okay. Now we can know to which part we have fold of this one. Here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Up to this it is clear now. How it become the parallel. Okay. Now we take the direction of this one. Give the Benton. You write down S2 direction. You write down 300. S2 direction 300 degree, 80 degree towards north. That deep. Okay. Clear? So we know S2. It means कि this fold is folded by S2 plane. Okay. So what is angle between this? Your first 270 degree. Okay. This is your 270 degree. Your which one? S0 parallel S1. Okay. Now what is direction of S2? 300 degree. So now what is this angle? You tell me. 30 degree. It means कि high angle or low angle.
Low angle.
It means which part of the pole?
Limb part.
Okay, now you can say neck part or chicken leg piece. Huh? Clear? So, like that we have to understand. Even in the field itself, by sitting here, you can say we don't know whether it's fold. But by seeing this data, we can say in which part of the fold we are. Now I will draw one fold here. Okay, I will draw one fold here. It means कि this fold is like this somewhere. Okay, and this is your S2 plane. Okay, this is your angle. So for getting here, in which direction we have to go? This is your west. Okay, so thing is like here. This is your S1, S2 plane, and we are getting S2 like this. Okay, so it means if you are going this way, we will get the hinge of the fold. Even though you don't know this area, but if you have to go toward the hinge, so it means we have to go this way. If you go this way, we won't get hinge. It means you just write down another rule. If we have to see the angle from cleavage to bedding, from youngest cleavage to bedding. This is your cleavage, okay? Cystosty plane. From here to here, if you go, we will get the closer. If you go from bedding to this one, we won't get closer. Clear? So we have to see cystosity to bedding. Cystosity to bedding. If you go this side, we won't get any closer. Okay? So like this, we have to can construct the fold of this area. Clear? So by sitting in one outcrop, you can judge about the whole area. Clear? So like that we have to do it. This is
Sir, can you just explain once more that how that limb is like identified?
okay. See. This is your one that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is your first basin is forming like that, and this is equal. Clear? Now we'll put one force here. Okay. What will happen? This is getting folded. 1, 2, 3, and due to this folding, one position will another color is there. Black is there. Okay. Look. Black. Okay.
It's black.
The fold is like that, huh? One anti form, one thing. Okay. The position will develop like this. Whole area must be penetrative or pervasive. Okay, like this. So if you see there is your cleavage S1, this is your S0. Clear? See, if we see the relation with the bedding and the cleavage, we can see the whole along the fold, their relation is different. The angle between this is and this is a bit larger, and here is almost 90 degrees. As we go in the limb part, your cystosity and bedding become the parallel. Clear? And if you go away toward the hinge, it becomes now thing you see, this part is getting eroded. Okay? Here are just working here. Now you tell me which part of the fold is closer is. What I told you? Padding to cleavage to padding. Cleavage to padding. This is your cleavage. This is your padding. If you go cleavage to padding, you will get inch of padding. Okay. Like that way. Some person is working here. Some person is working here. Cleavage to padding. Some person is working here. Cleavage to padding. Okay. Because in the nature we see here you won't get any fold. You cannot see that. But with the help of data, we can create the fold. Okay. So that's why with the help, that's why this data is very important. By seeing this area, we cannot see any fold. But by seeing the cystoscopy, we can say here at least 3
Fold.
happen. And thing is getting chopped up. Eroded. That's why we are sitting. Like that, we have to construct the thing. Okay. This is your first step. This is your second step. And what is third step here? Again, this the whole thing is getting folded. What will happen? Again, one plane will form here. Okay. So here S0, S1. Both become parallel, and this will form angle theta. Okay. As the formation will proceed, number of foliation will increase. Clear? Now one thing is tell. See, suppose if any folding is there. Okay. So what fold we are getting in the larger scale? That may be the 10 kilometer scale, 20 kilometer scale. But what fold we are looking here, it is hardly centimeter scale. Okay. So whatever the fold we are getting in the limb, it is just miniature of your larger fold. We cannot see large fold anywhere, but we can see this small fold everywhere. I will show you number of places. So by studying this fold, this is called the parasitic fold. What called? Parasitic fold. This is right one. What happens? Parasitic fold. If we are getting any folded area, antiform, okay, and we are getting synform. Clear?
Yes.
So what fold you are going to get somewhere? This is antiform, this is your synform. In the antiform area, in their left limb, will get Z fold. Clear? M, W in this part, and S will be getting this part. Okay? Getting this part. M, W, and in this part, what will get? S. Yeah? Z will get. Tell me, if there is S, there will get Z. Because this is going to form of the antiform. Okay? This part antiform. So by seeing this fold, a small fold, parasitic fold, we can say in which limb of the fold we are. We cannot see the fold, but by seeing the small fold, we can say, okay, this in this fold we are in the right limb or in the left limb, like that. Clear? So like that we are proceeding. And what is lineation?
Arrangement of linear fabrics.
Linear. Very good. Okay. Can you show me any lineation here?
It's not shown here.
It is not shown. Okay. Now see what is lineation. This is our hand. Okay. Here one plane. One plane from here to here. No lineation. Now I will fold it. One line is formed. It means when two planes they meet, one line will form. You see, there is no line in my hand because this is a single plane. Now I will fold it. One line will form here. Huh? Why this form? Two planes will give you line. And even in the room, everywhere, see here, one line is there. Why this line form? मतलब दो प्लेन वहाँ पे मीट कर रहे हैं. So whenever we are getting any line, anywhere you see the number of lines. Okay, okay. It means this plane and this plane, this plane and this plane, they have intersected each other. That's why this line forms.
Means like numerous
Yeah. Otherwise, how it will form? It means if you don't have the, it means the two plane, it means at least one deformation. If three plane, it means at least two deformation. It means ki if there is two line in any plane and you cannot see foliation even, what you can say? Lineation indicate
Linear fabrics.
two deformation. If you are sitting over any rock, you cannot see any foliation, but you are looking two lineation in the plane. Okay, that is your intersection lineation. Okay, that is your intersection lineation. It must be, it is not mineral lineation. It means you can say the area is deformed at least two there. Okay, so in the classes you have told me, okay, when I hear the paper, you have told me there is no fold. Now you can see there number of signature by which we can say the area is folded only. So cystosity, foliation or lineation. These two features are very important. Now see beauty of this. Give me one page. See. You take water. If you are any person feeling uncomfortable, just you sit. Okay, and you ask me to stop. I will stop. Continue for 10 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. Just sit down. Yeah. Don't get. Madam, आप भी बैठ जाओ. Just sit down. Be comfortable. See. अभी मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों को नहीं आ रहा?
Yes.
आ रहा है? देखो अभी देखो लिनिएशन कैसे बनता है. ये सब टर्मिनोलॉजी कि आप किताब में पढ़ते रहोगे, you never will understand. Okay. See. This is your plane. I fold it. You fold it. When I fold it, another plane will form. Now what will happen? Fold it. Okay. So this plane, like that number of plane will form. So this plane, this form they cut and they form one line here. Okay. It will form intersection lineation. It's called intersection lineation. Okay. See this line what it indicate. You know, you see this shows the hinge line. Hinge line. Okay. Now see this is fold. It's a hinge line, and this line is become parallel. Parallel. Okay. Parallel.
Yes.
Everybody is convincing. Okay. It means if fold is horizontal, okay, the line become horizontal. Okay. मतलब whatever the lineation we are getting, it is signature of your hinge of the fold. So see, if thing is okay, up to this you looking the fold also, you looking the line also, no problem at all. Now I will what I will do, I will remove this. I will put one parallel line here. Okay. Now I will remove this fold from here. Now I will ask you now what is nature of the fold? It is a horizontal axis. Okay, clear? You can say na? Because now I think that if you are getting any lineation on the plane like this, it means we can say this is your fold axis. It means fold is almost horizontal. Clear? Now you take another step.
Entire fold be eroded and taken away.
Yeah. It is happens so. You see, there is no fold is there, na? But you see number of lineation and cystosis means the area was folded. Okay.
Entire fold expression was
Eroded.
But their signature is present.
the intersection is there.
Entire chicken is gone, their leg piece and neck is present. Okay? Clear? Yes. Clear? Now you tell me, if one fold is like this and fold was plunged. Okay? During the plunging, your line will be like this. Because this line must be parallel. Now I remove this fold. Okay? And I am putting this line. Now you tell me what is nature of the fold. First fold was horizontal and second fold was plunging. Plunging fold. If you are getting any this lineation, what does it indicate? The fold become vertical fold. Clear?
Yes.
So that's why cystosity and lineation, these are two very important things. If you at least you understand these things, how we can take in the field, how we can interpret it, and your purpose to visit Java is completed. So like that we have to start. Now you tell me, now you write about this spot. Just write on that.
So now here the delineations are plunging.
Yes, now you can start selling anything, okay? Now we can measure from here how much it is plunged.
So it is plunging.
It is plunged. Okay, very clear now. So by seeing this plane, if you are very sure it is a cystosity, we can directly convert them into number of deformation. By seeing the nature of lineation, we can say whether fold is plunging, non-plunging, and like that. Clear? So these are very simple way. Now you can just write down about this spot. Okay? Okay, start right. What there? वो लोग उधर है क्या? Sir?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I will ask you about the lithology, that is very easy. You can what now you write down about the structure. Okay. In a structure, normally we are talking about the ductile and
Related.
and one is your primary structure. Okay. So we have observed the primary structure in terms of the bedding. Clear? It means that this is sedimentary rock. We are developed seen the foliation. It means that sedimentary rock got metamorphosed. So it is meta, sedimentary and phyllite. Up to this is okay. Clear? And what is grade of deformation, the metamorphism? Because we are getting chloride, mica.
Yes.
What does it indicate?
Low
Green
grade.
species.
Green systems.
Clear? Like that, what we have observed, only those things we have to interpret. Clear? Now you write about the structure. Okay? Okay, in the secondary structure, we have seen three planes. Look, S1, S2, S3. Okay, direction लिखो S1 का क्या था? Deep strike 270, 88 degree towards the south. Clear? S2 का लिखो 300 degree.
80 degree north.
हाँ, है ना? और S3 का क्या था? नॉर्थ साउथ, ऑलमोस्ट वर्टिकल था. ठीक है? So like this plane, three plane. Here you just write down कि S0 is parallel to S1. Okay, now you understand how this become parallel. What way the thing has been deformed, become parallel. Okay. So now you tell me how many मतलब fold of deformation in this area. There is at least 3 times.
At least 3.
Okay, we may miss on or 2 plane, but we can, so we will write like that. There is at least 3 deformation in this area. Okay. And now you tell me which part of the fold we are working here. Why? Just you write down. Because the angle between
Difference is 30
cleavage, which cleavage, S2 cleavage, and the padding plane is 30 degree. It seems that we are working in the limb part of the area. ठीक. Now see, if we are in the limb part of the fold, okay. If we are in the limb part of the fold, okay. This is a fold, this is a hind part, this is a limb part. In the limb part, there is extension. What is happen? Extension region. Okay, what will happen here? Whatever the hard rock is there, silicate is there, they will getting detached like this. What is this structure called? Budins.
Budins.
Budins. So we are getting number of budins here. See, thing is getting detached now. What are the silicates is there? Silica rock, which is hard, they are getting detached.
Detached.
Clear? So in the limb part, we are getting the budins. So these are also evidence of that process. Okay. What is time now?
1:15.
1:50. Now we'll close it, huh? Because it's too hot. Okay, we'll discuss in the class and after lunch. Okay.
So we can't tell if it is left limb or right limb, sir.
Right now we can't say.
Yes, sir?
Right now we can't say. That I will show you under. See, when you are going market,
Yes.
you are purchasing everything from one shop.
No, sir.
Why?
Price difference.
Why?
So it is like that. We have to visit the different outcrop. It is not like that only sitting in one outcrop we can describe everything. Okay.
Yes.